Welcome to Poemsphere.
Five little Mickeys dancing in the sun. One slipped down and then there were one. I'm okay, Mickey laughed, having fun. One little Mickey looking at the sky. He called his friends loudly, come, don't be shy. All four Mickeys came running by. Five little Mickeys marching in a line. One stopped a snack and said, I'm fine. Four kept walking their steps in time. Four little Mickeys jumping on the ground. One jumped too high and twirled around. Three started giggling at the funny sound. Three little Mickeys hiding behind a chair. One popped out shouting, I'm right here. Two got startled but loved the scare. Two little Mickeys running near the gate. One ran slow, the other ran straight. They met their friends who said, you're late. Five little Mickeys ready to say goodnight. They waved to the children with smiles so bright. See you tomorrow, they said with delight.